The National Ethnic Press Council of Canada is an umbrella organization which with members from coast to coast all over Canada in every province and every territory. We have about 648 members from the press, print, and also we have about 180 members from the media, electronic media, which is radio and television. I started the creation of the ethnic press back in the 75. That period of time we organized as Federation, Multilingual Federation of Canada, which later on, when I suffered a heart attack, the organization went to the wrong hands. I was unable to continue. Someone else took over the head of the organization, and the organization collapsed. So eventually in 1990 I came again strong with my health, and I started in 1990 I started this organization, which in a period of 20 years became one of the biggest Canadian media organizations, not only of the ethnic press, but also of with the media, mainstream media. We are the biggest organization, the more organized and more, I will say, effective. We are dealing with the federal government, we are lobbying on behalf of the members, and we try to uphold the business and the life of the members of the ethnic press. Whatever, with a few words, we are doing.
So your members represent the ethnic communities in all of Canada?
Yes.
How many are there?
There are 648 members, and they are divided in about 97 different communities, linguistic communities or national communities. That depends. Some countries they do have 2 or 3 languages, and of course in the same community are coming out publications in different languages. Each publication represents the special interest of the community, the sub-community they are serving in this community. So that's whatever the biggest communities in Canada, because out of that we have in Canada more than 187 different communities, linguistic communities, but some of them are very small and they are unable to sustain press or media or electronic media.